Hello guys, welcome to the third video guys no. So today guys we will try to solve case number 2. Pag ang non-homogeneous term is equal to alpha sine beta x or something like this guys no. Y double prime minus y prime minus 2y is equal to sine 2x. So actually guys, di yan 2x guys no, 2t yan guys. So first hanapin muna natin yung y homogeneous. So y homogeneous is equal to d operator d squared minus d minus 2. So quadratic equation muna guys, hanapin muna natin yung roots. So alam nyo na yan guys if you have watched my first and second video. So ang roots natin is negative 2 and positive 2 pala yan guys and negative 1. So yan ang mga roots natin guys. So if you have found the roots na, so we can try to solve. So YH is equal to C1e 2t plus C2e negative t. So yun guys no, ang ating um, Y homogeneous. Now let's solve for our particular solution, particular term. So using again D operator method, so d squared minus d minus 2 times yp is equal to sine 2t. 2t yan pala guys no, yung 2x. So i-isolate natin yung yp sine 2x is over to d squared minus d minus 2, and then evaluate natin. So evaluate na d is equal to yan yung guys so beta I. So ang beta natin is 2 kasi sine 2x. So yung beta x, so ang form niya is alpha sine beta x. So alpha natin dyan is 1, alpha natin 1, beta natin is 2. So sa ganitong equation guys, evaluate natin yung 1 over d squared minus d minus 2 to 2i. Okay guys no? So by following those rules above guys, we have come up with a solution gamit ang calculator natin. So since 2i tayo guys, kailangan nasa complex mode tayo guys no. So 1 over x squared, copy lang natin minus d. So x pala yan. Minus 2 evaluated as at 2 is equal d is equal to 2i or x is equal to 2i. So may sagot tayo na negative 3 over 20 plus 1 over 20i, no? So sa ganito na term guys, ito yung A, capital A, ito yung capital. Palit natin yung ink. Yan ang capital A, capital B. So sa ganito na equation guys, ito yp, y particular is equal to, sulat natin dyan, y particular is equal to A sine beta t o beta x. So t yan guys, no? Tapos B cosine beta x. Tapos substitute natin guys, no? A natin is negative 3 over 20. Sine beta natin is 2. So 2t. T yan guys, no? Hindi yan x. Plus, ang B natin is 1 over 20. 1 over 20 cosine. Beta natin is 2. So 2t. Napaka-simple lang guys, no? Ang sagot natin guys is YH. Y is equal to Y homogeneous plus Y particular is equal to C1 E2t plus C2 E negative t minus 3 over 20 minus 3 over 20 sine 2t plus 1 over 20 cosine 2t. Yan guys, no? Napaka-simple lang gawin. So, yan ang buong solution guys. So today guys, no, let's try to solve if another differential equation with trigonometric forcing function na 2 cosine 2t. So, hanapin mo natin y homogeneous natin ngayon. YH is equal to d squared minus d minus 2. So, hanapin natin yung roots guys. So, pag hinanap natin ang roots, punta tayo sa mode equation quadratic. 1, negative 1, tapos negative 2, negative 1 yun guys, no? Negative 1, tapos negative 2. Diba? So, pag na-solve natin yan guys, d is equal to negative 1. Sulat natin ng isa. Saglit lang. So, d1 is equal to 2. Tapos, d2 is equal to negative 1. So, y homogeneous natin guys, ganun pa rin, c1e 2t plus c2e negative t. And then, using this equation guys, no? So, we will try to solve yung y particular na cosine 2 cosine 2t. So, 2 cosine 2t is in the form of alpha, nasa form na alpha cosine beta x or beta t. So, alpha natin is 2, beta natin is 2. Okay, so gamitan natin yung formula na 1 over fd o yung 1 over yung d operator natin. So, d squared. So, gamitan pa natin yung d squared minus d minus 2t. Minus 2. Tapos, multiply natin siya na multiplyan natin siya ng alpha muna. Hindi ko nalagyan ng alpha. So, lagyan natin ng alpha yan guys. Alpha yan. Tapos, evaluated as d is equal to beta I or d is equal to 2i. So, punta tayo sa mode complex. Saglit lang guys ha. Medyo naglag. So, pag sinulatan ni buong equation, so 2 over d2 minus d minus 2. Tapos, evaluated as d is equal to 2i. So, punta tayo sa mode complex. Sulat natin 2 x squared minus d x lang minus 2. Okay, evaluated at 2i. Diba guys? So, ang sagot niya is negative 3 over 10 plus 1 over 10 i. Okay, so ang form na to guys, form na to is A, yan ang B. So, pwede natin gamitin yung y particular is equal to cosine bx. So, in this case, bt yan guys, no? Minus b sine bt. A natin is negative 3 over 10. Cosine b natin, beta natin is 2. Minus 1 over 10, b natin. Tapos sine 2 over t. 2t. So, yan ang ating y particular. So, ang ating buong differential equation, guys, so, ang general solution sa ating differential equation, guys, is y homogeneous plus y particular is equal to c1 e 2t plus c2 e negative t minus 3 over 10 cosine 2t minus 1 over 10 sine 2t. So, yan ang ating sagot, guys, no? Napaka-simple lang guys. Unlike sa pag-calculator natin to guys, no? Medyo mabagal, medyo mahaba yung ating operation. So, ganito lang guys, no? Napaka-simple lang siyang gawin. So, I hope you have understand my explanation guys, no? So, ito yung buong equation, buong solution guys. If you want to copy or if you want to do it in your own, please do it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.